Thank you, fella. Licensed 298015. What does TfL do for a mobile phone conviction? They revoke your private hire license. You know that.
I'm not driving.
You're still guilty of phone driving. Your engine's running, and you're in a live lane of traffic. You're not parked. So I'm going to report it to the police. So interesting enough, he didn't look like he was using a phone in his rearview mirror, which is why I almost slipped past him. Papa Kilo 69 Oscar Delta Yankee. I think that was dash mounted, which is why I ignored it.